Nike is already setting the tone for early 2025 with a special Valentine's Day release, and the Air Force 1 in University Red is shaping up to be a standout option. Designed as part of Nike's annual Valentine's tradition, this pair leans heavily into romance while keeping the classic Air Force 1 silhouette intact. The University Red colorway features a monochromatic finish, highlighted by all-over heart graphics that run from the toe to the heel for a bold and expressive look. Adding to the theme, the back of the tongue includes the phrase "Love is in the air," giving the shoe a personal and playful message. Each pair also comes with silver heart-shaped locket hardware, elevating it into a gift-ready sneaker. This Valentine's Day Air Force 1 is scheduled to release on January 14, 2025, priced at $125 and available exclusively in women's sizing, making it a perfect seasonal pickup.